Hello everyone, today we're diving into the topic of topping up your Nintendo account. Stick around till the end as we explore this and more. Adding funds to your account is a breeze when you follow these steps. To begin, open your preferred browser and head to the Nintendo account website at www.mynintendo.com. Log into your account to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the Funds and Payment Methods section. Within this section, locate the Nintendo eShop Funds option and click on Add Funds to proceed further. You'll be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. After inputting your password, select your preferred method for adding funds. You have the choice of using a Nintendo eShop card, a credit card, or a PayPal account only available for users in the US, Canada, or Mexico. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear to complete the process. Next, specify the amount you wish to add to your account and click on Add Funds. Once the transaction is finalized, you'll receive a confirmation email. And there you have it. Adding money to your Nintendo account is as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in.